back in the incubator room. Let's get this open. This is our, was it 4, 5, 6th week of weighing these eggs. I'm going to turn on scale. And we're going to go with number 1. It feels lighter than when I started. And it is 492, which is on track. Spin, lay down. Alright, this one. 504. Which is on track, and then I'll put it back and I'll spin it and grab number 3. Oh, don't spin it yet. Alright, we're gonna put it on there. It is 515, and that's still on track. So we're working on day 36 with these guys, and they feel good. Nothing is cracking, nothing is blowing up, so that's always a good positive. Nothing looks strange. Alright, this one is 540, which is on track. And my humidity is 24. Yesterday it was in the high 30s because of all the rain. And 561 is on track. And we're putting it this direction down. And we're getting the last one. And that one is 572, which on track too. So everything is looking good with these things. On the moisture loss. Doesn't mean they're gonna hatch. Just means numbers look right. It's being a little bit cool. Of course, it's cooled down now. It's like between 95 and 97. This incubator doesn't hold 100% temperature. Or this stupid digital thing is a piece of junk, because it's hard to tell with that one, but it always looks right. So we're going to leave it there. Weight them all up. Crossing their fingers. Next week we'll be in the 40s. With potential for hearing them start peeping, but we still got 2 or 3 weeks left, so we can go up to 50. I'd say 57 was the last time one of mine hatched. Was day 57. These could go longer, could go less. I think 65 is what they say. Give up, but I probably won't even give up then. I'll keep pushing it, because unlike most of my other eggs, these things are a little tricky. But it's enjoyable. I like my emus. They're good animals. And these are especially going to be nicer because my female I raised by hand was great. My male I purchased from Florida, not so great. He's not mean or nothing. He just doesn't come to me. Till I got food, then he comes. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.